Good morning guys, welcome back to the vlog channel. It's obviously not quite morning, it's lunchtime.
Oh, I got mine in your
Me and Lydia's just having a cheeky McDonald's because we're about to go to the fair. It's a little fair. Wait a minute, I need to move my seat back.
And it's because we got Monopoly. So do you get, oh, here you go on chips.
Oh, that's better. So we're about to go to the fair with his friends. So we're going to have a little McDonald's first. Oh, winner!
Oh.
Medium cola!
Oh, that's why I ordered as
She's
well.
won.
Oh, milkshake. Here's your
Try
bag.
one. Oh, you've got one on your drink as well. I've not won. Oh, I've got one on his drink though. Let's see if we've won on his drink.
What's your bag?
I don't know, just put it down a minute. Right, I'll have this drink, see if we've won. I love McDonald's Monopoly. Oh, I've won small prize! You always win. So
You
crazy.
You won last.
I know, other day.
I didn't. I did win out.
Always win on McDonald's Monopoly. Love it. Do yours and then you can show him, see if you win.
I thought we just got that. We need napkins or not?
Not yet.
There we go.
Oh.
No,
No.
I don't think I did. No.
No. But we've won a drink and small fries from 2 meals. Thank you very much, McDonald's. Anyway, guys, so yeah, we're off to the fair today. Lydia went to the fair a few weeks ago, but I think it's a different one now.
Well,
Apparently
it's
they
the
swapped
same
rides.
place. It's the same place but different stuff.
They've swapped rides or something, I don't know. So we're going to go and see what's happening there because I've not really
Being out.
I've been able to do much with Lydia this holidays because obviously we've been moving house and I've had to empty old houses, sort out the new house. So I said, come on then, she's off away with the dad next week. Oops, missed the bag. So I said, come on, let's do something before you go away with your dad.
And then we're going with some friends as well.
So we're going to go meet friends and go to the fair. So guys, we've just pulled up next to the park where the fair is and we're a little bit concerned that there'd be no parking. But this is how close we've got.
Because we
fair's
set off
there.
early.
No, it started at 12, it's 12:51. The fair is literally there.
Most people.
So we're meeting some friends now.
So,
Caroline's just texted as well to say that there's space in car park as well. But yeah, we just bobbed into Home Bargains and Matalan to get Lydia some school shoes. Home Bargains because I wanted this Halloween pumpkin
there
thing.
was
They
no
did,
Halloween
but-
stuff. We peeked into range and they did.
Oh, it range, yeah. Well, I think in my last vlog, last 2 vlogs, you'll see it range does.
Also, I got globals. I'm only going to bring one with me to the ride.
Lydia got globbles.
And the blue dimple, those sparkly one.
Yeah, if you want in cheap, I know we do a lot of fidget shopping on this channel at Extras. But if you want in cheap fidgets, then I definitely recommend Home Bargains because how much are this?
This one was £1.50.
150, and that one 150. Yeah.
But no, that'll be like £5.
And if that'll be about a £5 in extras. So Home my hand slipped. So definitely Home Bargains for cheap fidgets.
And there was a large puppet at
Right, come on then, 'cause Caroline's waiting.
What's it called? Extras. It would be £16, but there at
Home Bargains have large puppets.
Well, £4.99.
Yeah.
So a bargain, and I'm
Bargain.
gonna bring a pink one with me.
Pink one. Okay, let's go.
Let's-
Bella's here! Hi! Oh. Are we at the fair? Come on then. Come on then.
Just go in, or should we wait for them?
There they go, first ride. Which way? No, we're on it. Where the first one's here. Lydia's sliding down. Woo! You're waving! Where are they? Caught that. Bella! There she is! Woo! Bella! Right guys, we are back home after the fair. We did bob to Home Bargains as well, so I thought I'd just quickly show you.
A little haul I'm gonna show you as well.
There you go. Just show you a few bits what I bought while I was there. Nothing spectacular, but all this toilet roll. How much for this? Did you see how much that was?
No, I just got it.
I feel like it was about £4. For 18 rolls, which is really good. Got a sponge. It's not a fidget, Lydia. Bath and body sponge. This for 39p as well, so I thought that were really good.
Rice cakes, because Finley is obsessed with.
Do you like rice cakes?
No.
No. So they're just fins, really.
What's this?
2 large, like, giant bowls. So they can be for salad or pasta, things like that, or like a mixing sharing bowl, and they were $3.99 each.
And I picked out a pair for blue. I think this is
Got
going
blue,
for
another toy.
because it's black and white. That's why.
Take a tag off, see if he likes it.
Show me it now when it's finished.
Oh, well, we'll just quickly show you. So, 2 kebabs. Who likes kebabs?
I don't know. I want that.
Lydia.
And
just some cat biscuits.
they're very picky. They only like the expensive.
They'll only eat go-kart or whiskers.
What's this?
Right, go on then.
You ready? Sit.
Oh, he likes it already.
What is it?
What is it? Oh.
Look, what's this?
There he is. I was biting Panda's head. Look, where's he gone? Where are you taking it? Where are you taking it?
Oh, he loves it.
Oh, he's ripping it up to bits.
Poor Panda's head.
Well, at least he likes it. Do you like it?
That was really cute.
Do you like it?
One of them, there was like a pig, there was a giraffe. But
Yeah,
I
there
think that
were.
one would go with our house. Because it's black and white.
Yeah,
Sure.
cute. So I think that is it. What we bought from Home Bargains. There wasn't much at all.
And we're going to be getting some
Beads or fish and chips. So we're about to go to the local chippy. It's literally just around the corner from our house. Obviously we've not been there before. So we're going to go and try the chip shop there. Lydia's also into this new like hobby right now. Oh my god, what is going on? I'd like to say Rise have made my hair wild, but I didn't even go on any. I get vertigo, guys, okay? That's why I didn't go on any. But yeah, Lydia's doing this like new hobby thing, like making necklaces and key rings. Oh, okay, Lydia just wants to tell you about
fidgets and this thing. First I'm going to start with the fidgets. So as you can see Blue in the back, I'm playing with his toy. Anyway, so I went to Home Bargains and they do good fidgets. I used to be like obsessed with going to Home Bargains because I went a bit bad. That's why I never went. Well, I did go, but I didn't go as much as I would. Then I got globals. I think this was popped because look. But I don't care, it's so squishy.
If you didn't hear that, guys, she said globals.
Yeah, globals.
Globals.
Well, there was different colours, but I chose this one. Then a dimple. It's so good. I don't actually have a dimple. I have a simple dimple. I've like loads of stuff, but not this type. I've got a butterfly one. And it's also blue. You could get a clear, glittery one, but I chose this one. Listen to it. This is the right side. A smile for Lydia finished. I also like to do that, place them in all the little holes. Anyway, okay, so anyway, onto this bag. Hello, Lydia, do you like it, eh? This is not yours. Okay, so let's empty it all out, then I'll put it all back in. So It comes with a bag, pencil case, but look what comes in there. It's colouring pens, glue stick, highlight, whiteboard pen, some of a few other stuff, pencils, stuff like that. This is the high school bag that I got it off, where did I get off? Like a charity thing? My best mate Layla, her grandma earned like a charity.
She's the manager of like a fun day out thing.
Yeah, and they give you like stuff, and this is the high school one. You could get a kid one, but since I'm in year 6 now, well, I'm going into year 6, I got the high school one. So first you got this, a calculator. My mum's obsessed with it. It's quite heavy, this.
Scientific calculators, guys, are about £10 each. I bought Elliott 2 throughout his high school years. He's probably lost them both as well, so I wish he'd have gone and got a bag.
By the way, this was all free. So that was that. I'm obsessed with this. It is hydrant.
What?
Oh, it's on that Alexa, Mum. Also, the Alexa, you can call it.
Elliott. Are you having tea here, or is your dad coming for you?
There's this bottle and it says how much sugar. It says 9 AM to 2 PM, 10 AM to 3 PM, stuff like that. I'm going to leave it out so I'm going to fill it up after I clean it. Dynamic
Alexa and call.
and it's that. Dun dun. And then that side of the bag. A book, then the rest are just books. And then there's one more thing. Looks like it's oh. I don't know how to fit it all in.
Also, guys, I've ordered some boots with my birthday money, so I thought I'd show you what I bought as well. Oh my god, Lydia, that's got a price tag on. It should be £10, reduced to £5.
And then there's things like math stuff.
So I bought some boots with my birthday money. Blue! Oh, it's brought me here. It's new tight. Right, I'll show you. So, look a bit like wellies. Oh!
Jesus.
What do you think, Lydia?
Alright.
That's what they look like. I'll try them on. Just show you. Right, guys, these are the boots. Sorry, ignore blue. There we go. Just as I'm trying to film. These are the boots that I got from Boohoo. They were in the sale. I think they were £32. And I treated myself with my birthday money. But also, I feel like they're quite like waterproof. So, do you know, like for winter, doing a school run, if it's raining or maybe snowing. I'm not sure. They're actually like fishing boots. I'm going to call them my fishing boots. Oh, this is what Lydia's been doing.
So it's
all these beads.
I've got one on my phone now. It's like charms, and I'm gonna order some.
You made me some for my birthday, didn't you? Like bracelets and stuff.
Yeah.
I've got one on my ankle. Actually, I think so. Yeah.
You did have one.
Wait for it. There, look.
But
I've still got it.
These hammer beads.
So she's been making stuff like this.
But I've stopped making bracelets. Now I'm making phone charms because they're a lot more fun. I'm making
iPad charm.
Yeah, and he wants red and green. These are not actually for this. They're hammer beads on that iron.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna order some beads.
Yeah. Yeah, they're
like
good.
Clay beads. So yeah, I am obsessed. I'm gonna be watching the iPad. And then I'll be doing this one.
Yes, guys, it is Friday night. So on that note, I'm going to end today's vlog here because me and Lydia's watching this pile of coats. As you can tell, we've not done anything in this room yet, as you can see. Me and Lydia's been watching a series on Amazon.
No, it's Disney.
Or Disney Channel. And it's quite good, actually, so I don't mind watching it with her. So we're going to watch that tonight. if we've got time, might have another movie while Lydia's making her beads. And then it's bedtime. So thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.